This dude, he's planning to jump on it. Oh, I caught him on cam.
Right there, I guess. Alright, move out.
Hey, dude, the vlog started officially right now.
Damn, bro, it's like the 5th time today.
Damn, bro, it's Beamer Fest around here, dude.
Okay, bro. Beamer couple, you feel me?
Damn. Leave in the comments which is better, guys. The big body or the slim body. But yeah, guys, we're working on a M330 or whatever it is. 330, 330i. What are we doing, Jose?
What do you mean, what are we doing? Just tell me.
Oh, my bad. We're working on this front lip for the customer car.
Shit, better fit too.
It'll be the fastest install. Better than any shot right now. Guys, but yeah, what do you guys think of this Beamer though? This thing is hella nice. Look at that, it has the maroon interior. Oh, is this unlocked? Oh, it is. I'm gonna peep the inside real quick. Yeah. Damn. What y'all think of this Beamer though? Yeah, we're working on the front lip right now, making it look a little bit better.
Jose.
Shout out to Zay. Hey guys, some say that we're better than PQ, bro. At installing BMW parts. Some were saying, bro. Word on the street. Well, yeah, guys, welcome back to today's video. Oh my god, I'm falling. Welcome back to the channel. We just got straight into today's video. We got a bunch of parts for this Beamer. We're gonna be installing them all hopefully today. This is the first part, the front lip. We're gonna have a full transformation on the 330i. It's a 2-piece splitter, so this is the second part right here. Gonna go here. But we'll get to that right now.
I'm gonna work on the wing, buddy.
Oh yeah, we got our wing shown. Got a little lit. Mock it up for him real quick.
Oh, let's see. Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh.
Damn, son.
I got the Rolex?
Oh, hey, chill.
No, my bad, bro. So yeah, I mean, classic wing. Clean. Super clean.
Let's get going on it.
What the? Bees are trying to unbox your wrap right now.
Damn, for real, bro. He's all in my build. Oh, get out of my build, dog.
Look, that's from the DRLs. We got some yellow DRLs right here.
Some girls.
Some Darrells with beans.
Look clean in here, though. Might take Papa's spot.
Damn. No ved's going in here. Look at the ved's long as long, bro. Thing's long as hell, dude.
Normal size.
So you like them long?
There you go. Calm down before I start crying.
Oh. Damn. What's on the before? Before and after. Cup. Let me help this broista out.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, this front piece don't line up that good. Man, this shit like eat shit this fun.
we gotta see it through. Is that one up?
No, Zaysky. I'm assuming it's these, right? Because these go all.
What we thinking though? A little mock-up.
Lefato. No cat.
This is from Adro itself.
The Adro kit or what?
This is the Adro kit on a budget. Bro, I'm in the rain for the shot right now, but this really looks like hella better. Boom! Is that all?
That's all.
Yeah, bro. How far are we in, Jasmine? How far?
Super far.
We're almost there?
We're like 3-4.
Hey, today, bro. We need that today. We used up all the flaws.
Get paid, reimbursed.
Hey, that princess driver ain't free, bro.
Passenger princess?
Passenger princess ain't free, bro.
Drop the car, Zay. Drop the car. Let's see it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I thought we need still up for the shit. Or do we just need to move the wheel?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think it is lit.
First look.
First look right now. And we got some side Johnny pieces right here.
Some side skirts.
10 out of 10. We'll recommend this lip.
Easy install.
Bro, it's like what? 10 minutes?
10-minute install.
10-minute install, bro. The live unboxing of a damn side skirt.
See that live reaction.
Well, good news, it has some screws, so.
Oh, it does. Side skirts?
It has like pre-drilled holes.
Oh yeah, we're up.
Pretty drill holes, does it? But it didn't come with screws or not?
Yeah, I think so. Let me check the box. Muck it up, buddy. Muck it up.
Where does it go?
On the
Like
side.
this?
That might be the other side. Oh, yeah, that's the other side. Right? Or unless that goes to the back.
Oh, like this is screws.
Alright guys, we have the skirt mocked up. You can see. Looks pretty cute. Nice little addition.
Oh, it
Just
didn't.
adds a little bit of black.
A little flare. Can I get it real quick?
A little flare on there.
Little flare.
Little
Little flare.
It matches the front. Sheesh. Alright guys, power tools are out right now.
One here.
You going into the side skirt or the
Yeah.
side skirt is on?
That was like 5 years ago.
I was like 15.
And how they clean or what?
They look clean. Look at that.
Get all this trash in here.
Oh, how much time are we in right now?
Like 10
About
minutes.
20 minutes.
Like an hour?
About 20 minutes.
About like 15.
Because about the choice. I think this is like the best install, not even on like all our cars, bro.
It's always when it's not our cars. It's the best one.
When it's not our cars, it comes out clean. When it's our cars, there's like 50 strip bolts in the way. Second side skirt going on. Looking pretty decent.
Who the hell's rumbling on my
Boy, fucking Ranger.
It's Chewy's fucking S10, bro.
What's he doing?
Damn, I'm closing the fucking paint on this car, bro. Shit turning yellow, bro.
Chill, bro. Damn.
My bad, bro. How we looking, Brian?
Buddy.
No progress.
Bro, we got the wing off at least.
Just
Got
put,
some
fuck it,
progress.
put tape and redo it.
Fuck. Mira. Nada.
Telling you, gasoline's the method, buddy. You don't want to listen to me.
Gonna get some gas and burn this bitch.
No tiene gas. Mira. Keep this engine though. What motor is this again? G20? Or the G20? Guys, we're also gonna be switching out this front grill right here. We gotta figure out how to take this front piece off so we can take this off, but right now we got the lip, the side skirts, the wing is in progress right now. DRL's going in soon, probably too. But now we're gonna figure out this grill part.
Now, buddy.
I'm seeing paint.
Look, my girl's cricket thing coming in clutch.
Oh shit, I didn't even realize what you were using.
Look at that, John. Look at that, John. Yeah.
Damn.
Close the door right there.
Oh, almost slipped on the gas.
Yeah, guys, we had a little bit of a spill, bro. It just smells hell like it. Bro, the shoe's gonna disintegrate. Hold on.
Not the ones. Not the Jordan ones.
The fucking sole's gonna be falling out of that shit.
Yeah.
What do you think? We can get this grill out pretty easy or not?
Depends if we have the right bits.
Hopefully. Okay.
God
Ooh.
damn. Your shit broke, bro.
Damn, that shit did snap in half. Holy shit.
Yeah. You can get a new
Yeah.
one. Dude, you get a new one. That's cool.
So we came over here all fast. Now you're good, bro.
Engine broke? Engine broke in
We
half?
dropped the damn motor.
Damn.
The terminator fell.
I see what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
This grill. We're on the new grill. Is that the correct way? Alright, let me put the camera down so we can put on the new grill, but boom, before, after. They don't need no help. Let's just snap into this corner. Damn.
Is that line?
Pretty much on there. Put the screw back right here. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brian.
They're clean?
Pete. Sheesh. You matches the bottom now.
Yeah, that's why I bought that one.
Progress.
We're getting there done, buddy.
Crazy done. Just little streaks.
Hey, chill, bro. I'm not done yet.
Little marks. I mean, that won't really affect it too when we install it. So.
It's all
Yeah,
good.
there's a new John right here.
So
If you guys want to do it with the 330, you got to get a circuit. What is the tracker? What is that?
I don't know. It gotta be your girls though.
Oh yeah, if it ain't your girls, it's not gonna work the same.
It don't work.
They patched the other one.
They patched it.
God dang it.
That lock or no? I feel like nah, huh?
Didn't look. I don't know. No, just not look.
What
do you think, Zach?
That's all we need, bro.
Yeah, that's it has to be like this. Is not gonna do anything, bro.
Turn that fan on too.
We're good or what?
Yeah.
We're good right here.
After how much time? Like an hour, huh?
Oh, for real.
Damn, look at this.
Sí cambia la chingadera.
Hey,
¿No viste el de Palomo, el hijo de Leo?
look at that.
También le pusieron
What
todos
do you guys
sus
think of the
madres.
little wing?
Oh yeah.
Pretty chill wing.
Se va a pegar la...
Looks nice.
What size is that shit?
What do you think? What do you think, Brian?
Looking
What do
good,
you
buddy.
think, man?
Looking
Looks good.
You wit.
Yeah, guys, we're still waiting on a diffuser. The other diffuser did not fit. He has a what exhaust? Like a valve exhaust?
Valvetronic, baby.
The shop installed a valvetronic exhaust, but it's a dual tip, and it's only made for a single tip. So the diffuser coming in is for a dual. So right now it's just no tips. Look at that.
I'm gonna move the wheel.
But yeah, guys, this car full transformation in under what 3 hours?
Yeah.
Under 3 hours, full transformation. Alright, guys, these are the stock DRLs. They look clean though.
You want them cleaner though.
Oh, ya las habló todo. You can see the little module right there. That's what we gotta switch out.
Yeah, I can check what size this
Yeah.
thing
So
is.
hopefully we can get this done pretty quick so we can show y'all the final result of the whole build. We'll come back in a sec. So unfortunately the DRLs didn't work, but we'll get the real or the good ones next time. Maybe next week. Let's go over a brief summary right now. Front lip, the grill, we got the side skirts, and importantly the wing. The wing's tough. Huh? It's nice though. Look at that, guys. Turn on the light for you. Look at that. Oh. But guys, we're probably gonna end the video here. We'll do a part 2. We got some roof wrap, we got a rear diffuser, and then the DRLs. So we're gonna catch you guys on the next episode of the BMW build. But for now, it's a full transformation. It looks crazy. It looks way better now. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. It was all over the place, but we got a lot done. Got the lip, skirts, wing, grill. Looks all good. Maybe some wheels coming soon.
Yes.
PBS wheels coming sooner or what?
Yes.
The Alibaba, the Baba wheels.
The Baba wheels? I have to tap into Bob's.
Hey, but yeah guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Guys, actually before this video ends, we're gonna get a little sound clip for y'all. Stealth mode.
Quiet down, boy.
Hey, rev it up a little bit though.
Put that button right there. Put that button right there.
Oh, that's stealth though. That's clean, Loki.
We still need this, and hold on, let's show it.
Oh, the tips.
Them Jones right there.
The black tips.
Sheesh.
Coming soon. Part 2 coming soon.
Part 2.
Rev it up for him real quick to end it off. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Peace.